Good morning. My name is Olufumilayo Da Silva Tubi, and I'd like to talk about assessments in the sense that we finished assessments for now. And what did you find out? How many of them found it challenging to obey directives? You've asked them to circle and they've ticked, or they've underlined, or done otherwise. You've asked them to choose just one answer and they've chosen many. You've asked them to match and it's a problem. So if you've identified that carrying out directives is an area of challenge, you need to go back and teach them. What about the numbers, the area in which you find that a number of students, a number of learners were struggling with? Which area was it? You need to reteach it such that they become masters in that area as well. Now, you need to plot a graph to see how is their learning going, because this is a mini summative assessment to see just how much they've learned and how well. And you've got to be able to take it back and apply it to your lesson plans and your lessons. Don't forget that when you're teaching, you're trying to assess the affective domain, the psychomotor domain, as well as the cognitive domain. Most of us emphasize the cognitive, but it's more than that. You need to test all areas so you are sure of which area needs for you to concentrate on. So don't forget, it's an opportunity. Tests, assessments are not crucifixion points, so to say. They're not there to just nail the students or to discourage them. They're there so that you, the guide, the teacher, can improve on their learning experiences this early in this session, in the semester. Remember, you set goals for yourself and for your learners, and they have set goals too. Are you meeting the goals? So the assessment will reveal just how far and how well you're meeting your own goals, their goals, and the class goals in general. For sectional heads, let's say you're a team head. Which of your team members, let's say you're in charge of maybe year 11s or year 10s, you're a year leader, a year leader. Which of the years are struggling and why are they struggling? It's your task as a head, as a leader for that group to find out what is their area of challenge and how your team is going to work on it to ensure that there is no area of challenge. It seems impossible? No, it's not impossible. Where there's a will, there's a way. And if you are a head teacher, it is your responsibility to assess which section of your school is not pulling their weight and why. And then you go back to the drawing table and then look at the factors that might be affecting that particular section of the school that they're not pulling their weight. Because you need to be able to plot graphs as leaders and see which particular area is not meeting up with the rest and why. Remember, as a head teacher, you set goals for the school. As a team lead, you set goals for your team. And as a teacher, you set goals for your learners. This has been Olufulayo Da Silva Tubi talking about what do we do with assessment results and how do we communicate that to the learners, to our team, and to the proprietors probably. Have a beautiful week ahead and God bless you. Bye.